factories be like a few years from now? Let's see the future of industrial production. Here's a production site in the near future. Secure, private, 5G-based campus networks have speeded up manufacturing, making it more flexible, more productive, and safer. Moving further ahead, we see humans and robots working side by side. Industrial 5G paves the way for new manufacturing use cases. For instance, that cobot has a digital twin that communicates via OPC UA in an industrial 5G network. Together with various apps, these things are greatly speeding up digitalized production. Thanks to digitalization, orders are produced when and as needed. Systems will autonomously talk to each other in real time. We're only at the beginning of an incredibly promising path into the future of production. All this is future-proof and upgradable. 6G enhancements also dovetail seamlessly. Those who invest in industrial 5G now are well on their way to having the latest capabilities as early adopters. The factory of the future, connected for a circular economy. Invest in industrial 5G today and start turning this future into reality.